Are you coming over with your ball? Come on over.
Okay, so
Oh, are you gonna give Mama your ball?
Yeah.
Hey, sweetness. Hey. No, that's Mama's desk.
I'll be right back.
so we need to figure out.
Hey, Sam Bunny. Hey. Are you gonna go walk? Whoa, it's a nice ball you have there. Yes. You gonna go for a walk? You gonna go over here for this nice walk? That's a nice ponytail you have. Ball, yeah.